poppin', man? What's pop, man? Yeah. What the business is, man? I already started cooking. My hand already washed. Cleo at work, musking by the people. Yep. You know what I'm saying? So I'm about to cook it up for us for night and dinner. We got chops and we got liar. Here. Chop liar. Here. Mix it up for y'all, man. Let me see what it's about. How y'all doing, man? How y'all doing, bro? It be so peaceful. It be so peaceful here when they not here. When they not here, it's like, look, listen, wait. Y'all hear that? Peace, man. Golly. She gonna walk through that door and she gonna make all that damn noise. She getting here, bro. I don't be understand where y'all coming from, bro. People, women, bro. I don't understand, but no, y'all don't get too hard on y'all. Hold on a second. I'm excited right now, man. I'm excited right now. I'll tell you why I'm excited. I'm excited because I'm blessed and highly favored. Things been going blessed. You know what I'm saying? That's the word. The word of the day. The word of this video is blessed, bro. You know what I'm saying? Blessed, babe. That's what it is, man. I'm gonna start giving y'all a word of the day. I'm gonna start giving y'all a quarter of the day. I mean, of the video, because you gotta keep that motivation flowing, you hear me? But anyways, like I said, we're mixing up the chops. Let me wash my hand. I'll be right back with y'all. I decided to bring y'all with me while I wash my hand. Yeah, man, I'm cooking for Big Cleo, man. Cleo gotta get that food when she get home. Gotta have that lunch. Come on, here. Yeah, man, bro. What today? Let me tell y'all about my day, how my day went today. Today is what? You know, I gotta give y'all a date. We on October 3rd, man. October 3rd, man. Hold on. Listen. October 3rd. Cooking that big old chop. But anyways, today was pretty cool. I was officially by myself. It's official that I'm officially by myself. You know, the last time I'm by myself, I had to get back in the truck with somebody else. But now, it's only me. Yeah? What she said? They got 99 problems and the biggest one is, you know what I'm saying? Girl, that's my dog. It's miss with y'all. Miss with y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I'm a big Glorilla fan. G to the L to the O. Big Glow. You hear me? Yes, sir, man. Anyway, man, I'm feeling good. Like I told y'all, man. How y'all doing, bro? I'm cooking for the fam. Well, not for the fam. Cooking for the wifey, man. For myself, really. But for her, too, because she live here. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? But this look good. I'm gonna show y'all a little chop. I'm gonna show y'all how I look when I put it in the pan. Y'all see what I'm dropping in there? Y'all need to see all that. You need to see all that, man. I'm a cooker, man. Anybody want have a cooking rub with me? Let me know. I'm the one you need to see. Oh, my oven just got done. You hear it? Oh, crap. That means you ready for the chop to get in. Chop will get in y'all soon. Wait, we'll rush the process. You need to rush the process, bro. Yeah. Hey, man, I ain't one of the regular YouTubers that be, me and other YouTubers. I don't even know what I'm on YouTube for, really. I think I'm on YouTube. I'm not on YouTube for the money, obviously, because I've been up-dropping videos back. I'm on YouTube just to have fun, man. Talk to people, because I ain't had nothing to do with my life. I ain't really got too many friends to go out with. So, hold on, let me put these chops. Louisiana, you know you need the chop. The chop, meaning, that's just chops, but you need the season. You know what I'm saying? You can't go wrong with this. You need those. Can't go wrong with this. You need those. This ain't gonna be the only part of this video, man. Me cooking. You know, I'm gonna have some other stuff for y'all. I might have some gym workout for y'all. I don't know. I'm just cooking. I'm just talking to y'all. Golly, can you chill out? Can you stop fussing? And you know what I'm saying? How y'all doing? You know what I'm saying? I got questions for y'all. Y'all always talking to me. Let me talk to y'all. How y'all doing? What's going on? You got people that always comment. What's the people's name? Sunny Side Up. If you watch this particular video, how you doing, bro? You know what I'm saying? Jessica, how you doing with the moving? And stuff like that. Flatbed J, man, you got a job. I mean, you find a better thing than Prime. What's going on? You know what I'm saying? I'm talking to y'all like you're talking to me. I see y'all comments. I mess with y'all, so I'm just asking y'all a little question, man. Let's have a conversation. What's down with it? You know what I'm saying? Let me put my chops up. Y'all know what I hate the most about, let me fix y'all. Hold on. Y'all know what I hate the most about cooking? Cooking. I mean, not cooking. Cleaning up, washing dishes. Leave. I wasn't leave. I wasn't trying to be nice today. Leave for Cleo. Leave for Cleo. I ain't lying. Let her cook this shit, man. For real. Let me get somebody else on the camera with y'all. Let me see if he wants to film. I'm gonna pick a song, and I'm gonna text it into my group message. I'm gonna put it on the screen somewhere. I ain't gonna be in the screen. I'm gonna put it on the screen. Text my people. Text my group message. Tell them I'm gonna text them that, Cardi B, Glorilla. I'm gonna text them right now. Wait, text them right now. And watch out. I'm gonna see how funny they is. Cause they answer the phone when I call. Do answer the phone when I call. So I'm gonna just do a prank. I ain't got nothing to do. Why not do this with y'all? I'm gonna text them the Cardi B lyrics. I mess with her, and then they'll somebody up and they're gonna say something funny, and then y'all just watch. I don't know how people do these lyric prank things, but I'm done with this, man. I'm gonna show y'all what everybody said. I text like a couple of people. One person takes it back so far. By the time I finish this video, maybe everybody else takes it back, and I just put it in at the end of the video. I'm gonna put one person 1, person 2, person 3. You know what I'm saying? Y'all to see and y'all look at it and read it. Like, yeah, that's how I'm gonna go. Boom. I'm still cooking. Oh, let me show y'all them chops. This is my girl, Darren. Y'all see her name, you know what I'm saying? She was the only one who got the thing. Everybody else was just like, my cousin didn't know the lyrics. Haha. My partner don't know what good music is, so you don't know what this is. So, ooh, y'all see that smoke? You see that smoke? Boy, that chop look good. Oh, Lord, I can show y'all that. Just know I'm the best at this stuff. I'm the best, cooking in the world. Come see me, man. I hate these glasses, man. God damn, I need to get contact back.